You might have heard that Elon Musk's Neuralink is aiming to restore sight to the blind and movements to paralyzed patients. He even claims users of Neuralink can operate mobile phones with just brain signals. Those are impressive, but did you know that Neuralink has bigger goals than these? Let's find out why the Neuralink is bigger than you think. Neuralink. Many consider Neuralink as one of Elon Musk's fictitious ideas that was impossible to achieve. Even if he could make the Neuralink possible, it'll take him years to let the idea see the light of day. Contrary to these beliefs, the Neuralink has already taken shape and has already been tested on a number of animals. The latest news about Neuralink even suggests that there will soon be a test of the Neuralink on the first human.
Seriously?
Seriously.
We will soon delve deeper into these later in the video. Neuralink is a neural interface technology that seeks to implant a chip, known as the link, in human brains through a surgical robot, aiming to process information from the brain and possibly stimulate it. According to Elon Musk, Neuralink can either be inserted into the spinal cord to help restore movement to paralyzed patients and can also help to improve or restore the vision of blind individuals.
I think we have a chance with Neuralink of being able to restore full body functionality to someone who has a spinal cord injury. Meaning, I think we have a chance, I emphasize a chance, of being able to allow someone who cannot walk or use their arms to be able to walk again.
These are the initial goals that the Neuralink technology will seek to achieve. However, Musk states that the Neuralink is much bigger than just restoring vision and curing paralysis. Let's look at the first bigger purpose that the Neuralink could be used for, aside from these two initial goals. Neuralink could meld human consciousness with artificial intelligence. You cannot talk about technological advancements without involving Elon Musk. He's championed many of such advancements, which at a point many believed were impossible. For instance, he's one of the leading figures that has led the replacement of combustion engine vehicles with electric ones. He even owns the SpaceX, a company that manufactures rockets and spacecrafts targeting at convoying humans to Mars. Despite his enthusiasm for technological advancements, he's very skeptical when it comes to artificial intelligence. He has a long-standing fear of artificial intelligence superseding human intelligence in the near future. On more than one occasion, Elon Musk blatantly expresses his fear that one day, not far from now, AI could outsmart human beings, which could come with a lot of dangers. This is why he believes there should be measures that would prevent this from happening. If not, at least AI computers should not be smarter than humans.
Well, that's true.
He even stated in an interview in 2019 that, "We will not be able to be smarter than a digital supercomputer, so therefore, if you cannot beat them, join them." This is why he believes that Neuralink could one day help humans to level up with the intelligence of supercomputers and artificial intelligence in general. This is not all. He further states that the Neuralink could as well solve autism and other mental illnesses in the future. Keep watching if you want to know more about this. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any Neuralink update and all of the exclusives about Elon Musk. Neuralink test on animals. Neuralink is here to stay and has even begun testing on animals. In 2020, for example, Elon Musk showcased a video on the Neuralink chip successfully implanted into a pig named Gertrude. This link could accurately predict the limbs of the pig while it was moving on a treadmill. According to Elon Musk, the pig has been living with the implanted Neuralink chip for about 2 months without any sign of distress or behavioral changes. Not only that, Neuralink further released another video of a monkey having the implanted Neuralink chip in 2021. The video showed the monkey, Pager, playing video games on a computer screen with its brain signals and hand connected to a joystick. These two instances suggest how fast Neuralink is moving to achieve its goals. It was even reported in 2021 that the company is planning to begin implementing the Neuralink chip in humans in 2022. Obviously, that wasn't achieved.
No, of course it wasn't.
But again, it gives an idea of the rate at which the idea of Neuralink is developing. Neuralink could solve autism. Another goal that Elon Musk seeks to achieve with Neuralink in the future is to help solve autism. He stated during an interview in 2019 that Neuralink could solve a lot of brain-related ailments, including autism, schizophrenia, and even memory loss.
Really? Really?
However, several neurologists are skeptical about this goal. Many claim that autism, for example, is not a brain disease, but rather a developmental disorder. As such, it is almost unlikely to solve. They don't see the goal to solve memory loss or schizophrenia holding much water either. This is because diseases like schizophrenia have specific or multiple genetic disorders, therefore quite impossible to treat. It might seem impossible for now, but to Elon Musk it is just a matter of time. Do you think these goals are achievable? Let us know what you think about this in the comments section below. From the look of how fast the Neuralink chip is developing, many believe it could even bring the viral ChatGPT-3 to an end. Let's find out more about that in the next video. Click on the link to know if truly the new Neuralink chip will destroy ChatGPT-3. See you next time.